Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you are signed into the Google account that stores your YouTube activity. Once signed in, go to YouTube. Or open the mobile app. Make sure the app is updated so menus match. Next, open the left-hand menu and choose History or tap your profile, then your data in YouTube. You do this to access the activity timeline where searches are recorded, so you can view, filter, and export what follows. Now you narrow the history to just search events by choosing the Search History filter inside Activity Controls. This isolates queries from watch history. Once filtered, use the date range or search box to find specific periods or keywords. This saves time if you only need recent or topic-specific records. You can then select individual entries for removal or choose the bulk select option to export or delete many entries at once. Doing this lets you precisely control which searches to keep or remove. Finish by deciding whether to export, delete, or change retention. For export, open Google Takeout, include YouTube, and select Search History to get JSON or CSV. This keeps an offline copy. To delete, remove selected items or enable auto-delete. Choose 3, 18, or 36 months to automatically prune future searches. If entries don't appear, make sure you're on the correct Google account, syncing is enabled, and the YouTube app or browser is up to date. If problems persist, sign out and sign back in and try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.